If I show you guys my secret ingredients, I think it's gonna be like a scam. You need to prepare several ingredients: spring onion and garlic. Then of course, tofu, the chopped beef, and why is it having so red color? It's like fake. Then there's one of my secret ingredient. I'll show you my secret ingredients a bit later. Oil and water, that's it. So we will start off by heating up some oil. So I'll just add some oil. And then I'll add the spring onions. Oh, the drizzling. Ah, it's flying, it's flying. I don't think I'm gonna use all of the meat, so I just use 100 grams. So you fry it until, oil. Okay, you kind of just fry it up until the color is pretty much changed. If I show you guys my secret ingredients, I think it's gonna be like a scam. Let's bring on to my secret ingredients. Mapo tofu. Yeah, that's it. You know, this is like the sauce for the mapo tofu. So you just open it up and go right in. Scam, scam, scam. It is a scam. But I mean, it tastes so good in this way. So if it's good, why bother? That's why I don't get it when I just tell people that I can only make Chinese food. They're like, OMG, you can make Chinese food? I was like, yeah, this is so easy. And they're like, are you kidding? While you mix a little bit, you can put it in the tofu. Okay, so you just mix a little bit. If you really like to have sauce with your rice, you just add a little bit of water. That's what I'm gonna do. You can use hard tofu, it's all up to you. You can try to buy it anywhere in the Asian shop. I think it's really common. And you mix a little bit from time to time. It's pretty ready. Let me give it a try. So tasty. There you go. Cooking class with bun. Yeah. This is so easy, right? This is so easy.
Later.
This is my plate. And check out this plate. This plate, I love it because it's like manga style plate.
Nice.